In today's world, cybersecurity is one of the fastest growing job markets. But where should you go if you want the best opportunities? Finding the right city can make a huge difference in your career. So a great place to start is San Francisco, home to many tech giants and cybersecurity companies. It's a city full of chances to grow in your cybersecurity career. Next is Washington, D.C. Washington, D.C. is a hotspot for government cybersecurity roles. If you're interested in national security, this is the place to be. Then we have New York City. So New York City offers many cybersecurity job options in finance, healthcare, and more. It's an exciting city with tons of career opportunities in different industries. Another great city is Austin. So known for its tech scene, Austin is growing fast and companies are always looking for cybersecurity experts. And lastly, Seattle. Seattle is home to big companies like Microsoft and Amazon, creating many cybersecurity jobs in the area. So these cities provide a wealth of opportunities to grow in your career in cybersecurity, and they are great places to live and work. So if you enjoyed this, if you got some value from it, leave me a like. Love ya.